Good day, listeners. Welcome to our online English lesson. And today we're talking about the future time. Our theme is future simple tense. And first, what is a future simple tense and when we use it? Yes, we use future simple to make guesses about the future or about the events that will definitely happen and which we cannot influence. And also for promises, threats, warnings, and cautions. How is future simple formed? Future simple is formed with a single auxiliary verb will. It is used with all numbers and faces. It doesn't matter if we are talking about the first person singular, it's I, yes. The third person singular is he, she, it, or all plurals, we, you, they. In all cases, we use the auxiliary verb will. But important, sometimes in British English, the verb shall is used with the subject I and we. Now about the affirmative, negative, and the question form. First, the affirmative form. In affirmative form, we use the construction subject plus will plus verb. For example, I will come, he will win, she will understand, it will break. In plural form, we say, we will find, you will see, they will agree. In affirmative, will combines with a pronounced form and abbreviated form. For example, I'll come, she'll understand, they'll agree. Next, it is negative form, yes. In negative sentence, the particle not appears between the auxiliary verb and the main verb. Construction, subject plus will, not plus verb. For example, I will not come. He will not win. He will not understand. It will not break. We will not find. You will not see. They will not agree. When we use short form, will combines with the particle not form an abbreviated form, but there is one peculiarity here, the change in the form of the word will plus want or will plus not, it is want, yes? For example, it won't break, we won't find, you won't see. And the last one, it is question form. The future simple question starts with the auxiliary verb will, followed by the subject and the main verb. We use and write will, then subject plus verb, yes? For example, will I come? Will he win? Will she understand? Will it break? In plural form, we say, will we find? Will you see? And will they agree? Now we are about when we use and the future simple. Future simple means the same phenomenon as the present and the past simple, only in the future. Yes, we use when we express single action in the future. For example, we will take a taxi. Second, he will spend his vacation in China. And next, we use future simple when the action will be repeated several times in the future. For example, I will go to London a few times next year. Yes, repeated a few times. And you can recognize future simple by words such as soon, later, as soon as, tomorrow, tonight, next week, next year, in a month, in 3 days, in 1994. For example, she will call me tonight. And the future simple is used when we make a decision instantly and immediately voice it. In other words, when we make spontaneous decision, yes. For example, I will order a steak and chips, and you? Second, hold on, I'll get a pen. And about hope, promises, and fears. When we want to express our attitude towards the future, we use future simple, especially with words such as hope, afraid, promise, swear, and others. For example, I promise we will go to Iceland next summer, next autumn. Second, we hope she will be okay. Okay, listeners, we understand the form of future simple tense, affirmative, how we make affirmative, negative, and the question sentence. Now I give you some tasks to do. It's your home task. This is to fix the topic, okay? First exercise, put the verbs in the following sentence in the affirmative, negative, and the interrogative, it is question yes forms of future simple. And the exercise 2, expand the brackets using the verbs in the future. Okay, do this task, repeat our lesson, and at the end, I want to say thank you for your attention. Take care. Goodbye. See you on our next online lesson.